how to differentiate this product with respect to y. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I am going to explain you each and every step of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end for better understanding of the solution. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram handle. If you are new to this video, do subscribe it and share it with your friends. Without any further delay, let's start solving the question. First, let us read this. Find derivatives of the inverse function of the following. So we have to find derivative of the inverse function of the following. So the given function is y is equal to f of x. So we have to find its inverse function, which is x is equal to f inverse of y. We have to find the value of dx by dy from this given function. Now how to find this value? Let me show you. First, I will note down the given function. Y is equal to x square into e raised to x. This is given to us. Now what I will do, we have to find derivative of inverse function of the following. So what I will do, I will differentiate this with respect to y, because the inverse function x is equal to f inverse of y is in terms of y. So I will differentiate with respect to y. Then what I will get? So according to product rule, how to differentiate this x square into derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is, which will be multiplied with derivative of x square, that is 2x. Now as we are differentiating this function with respect to y, so I will write here derivative of x with respect to y. As x is inverse function of y, so derivative of x with respect to y will be dx by dy. So in this way we differentiate the given function with respect to y. Now I will simplify this. So dy upon dy will get cancelled and I will get 1. Then I will take e raised to x as common, and what I will be left with x square plus 2x into dx by dy. Now I will simplify this. What I will get, dx by dy is equal to 1 upon e raised to x into x square plus 2x. So this is the required answer. As x is the inverse function of y, so derivative of inverse function will be dx by dy. We just differentiated this given function with respect to y. Now once we differentiate this function with respect to y, we get the value of dx by dy, and on further simplifying this, we get the final value of dx by dy, which is 1 upon e raised to x inside the bracket x square plus 2x, which is our required answer. So in this way we solve this type of question. If you understood each and every step of this solution, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to me on my Instagram handle. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.